If you are using ChatGPT for trading or coding and you are not getting the results that you expected, you are making a critical mistake. So most people use ChatGPT wrong way and that is why they fail. But they expect it to trade for them, write perfect code instantly and make flawless financial decisions. But that is how it works. If you just copy paste ChatGPT output without understanding them, you are setting yourself for failure. But if you learn how to prompt it properly, you can unlock insane value from automating trading strategies to optimizing risk management. So in this video, I will show you the right way to use ChatGPT for crypto trading and coding, so stop making costly mistakes. The biggest problems or mistakes that is actually happening is bad prompting. Most traders and developers type something like, write me a profitable crypto trading strategies or trading bot. Then they expect a perfect code that actually dump into a trading view, actually generate a printing money machine. So here's what happened. ChatGPT actually generate codes that looks like professional. You just copy paste it in your script and it doesn't work. It is buggy, incomplete, or not optimized for real-time trading. Why? Because ChatGPT is an assistant. It's not a trader or developer. It works best when you give a specific structured input, not a vague request. So if you want ChatGPT to actually improve your trading strategies, you can guide them properly. Instead of asking, give me a crypto trading strategies that is profitable, you can try this way. Generate a Python script for a moving average crossover strategies using Binance API. Use a 50 period SMA for long entry and 20 period SMA for short entries. Include errors handling, loggings, and a function for backtest. So why this actually works? ChatGPT knows exactly what indicator and parameter you want to use. It actually includes the logics. Instead of a generic strategy, it gives you a usable code. The last one is it reduces error. You are asking for error handling and logging from the starts. So this approach turns ChatGPT into a real assistant instead of just a code generators. So ChatGPT isn't just about writing code, it's great for debugging then. So for example, if you run your code in your terminal, you got the errors coming out, instead of just say fix this code, you can just copy paste the whole script of it and then paste in the ChatGPT to ask them to fix it. For example, this script is returning API error 492 when sending orders to Binance. Rewrite this function to actually include a rate limit or retry logic. ChatGPT can actually solve this problem for you. Ask it to backtest across different market conditions, request performance metrics like Sharpe ratio and max drawdown, and also fine-tune parameters to actually improve profitability. This makes ChatGPT a trading research tool, not just a code generator. It's very easy to actually debug your ChatGPT service. Every error you just throw into ChatGPT, it can actually help you to actually debug, and you must specify your errors and he will help you to change for it. So let's apply these strategies across a real-time example. I'm just pasting a script that is actually done. Generate a Python script that for moving average crossover strategies using Binance API. Use a 50 period SMA for long entry and 20 periods moving average for short entries. Include error handling, logging, and functions for backtest. Alright, let's see how can it done. So you can see that it actually generate a full script for us. Alright, let's see how this code actually can work or not. So you can see the code structure is very simple. Here we can import all the things already, and then we can set up a logging method basically to log out everything that we're actually running. And then here also they define an API key for API secret, and the symbol strategy parameters, for example, BTC USD, what is your interval, SMA and long and SMA short, the trade quantity, and then they got the functions to get historical data, calculate SMA, generate signals, and then here's the set trading logic to actually plug it. If the 20 moving average is larger than 50, then what should they do? Alright, they buy it, and if the 20 moving average is lower than 50 moving average, they sell it until they return whole. Then they place an order. So they actually put a market order if there is a buy order, and they put a market order sell if there is a sell order. Alright, and actually you can see the run strategy function actually running. So here's the backtest part. So if you have been blindly copy paste ChatGPT output, stop now. Alright, use a better prompts, debug and optimize your code, and turn ChatGPT into a trading research assistant, not just a code generator. So if you want to access to my best trading prompts and ChatGPT power strategies, you just comment AI trading below and I will send them to you. Alright, and if you are serious about using cryptocurrency and automation trading, check links in the descriptions for exclusive discounts on Bing trading tools and exchange sign-in options. So if you want to know more about quantitative tradings or what is quant trading, what is AI bot, you can just join this Discord and you can just follow this channel. This channel is basically about quantitative trading. So if you are serious about cryptocurrency trading or quantitative trading, this is channel for you. So I will see you in my next video.